Yang pertama, membahas tentang deiksis. Kata itu bisa dikatakan sebagai deiksis apabila referennya itu berpindah-pindah atau berganti-ganti, tergantung pada siapa yang menjadi pembicara dan lawan bicara, dan tergantung pada saat dituturkan kata itu. Three categories of deiksis. Person deiksis refers to person. Spatial deiksis refers to location or place. And temporal deiksis refers to time. Person deiksis beroperasi pada 3 bagian dasar, dicontohkan oleh kata orang pertama, yaitu I, orang kedua you, and orang ketiga he, she, or it. Dalam banyak bahasa, ada kategori terdiktik pembicara, orang yang dituju, dan kerabat lainnya atau sosial. Contoh dari person deiksis adalah jika saya, Jos, terus mengeluarkan ucapan saya pergi belanja kemarin. Arti dari kata saya itu adalah Jos. Kita dapat mengubah kalimat menjadi Jos pergi berbelanja kemarin, dan arti kalimat tersebut akan tetap sama. Namun, jika Anda mengucapkan kalimat saya pergi berbelanja kemarin, huruf I dalam kalimat tersebut akan merujuk pada nama Anda, yaitu Jos. Selanjutnya, yaitu spatial deiksis atau deiksis tempat. Ini berkaitan dengan lokasi spasial yang relevan dengan ucapan. Begitu pula dengan personal deiksis. Lokasinya bisa jadi milik pembicara dan penerima atau orang atau objek yang dirujuk. Example, I am not here now. However, I can say I am not here now into the recorder of the telephone answering machine, projecting that the now will apply to any time someone tries to call me, and not to when I actually record the words. In this recording, I am not here now is a kind of dramatic performance from a future audience in which I project my present to be in the required location.
Temporal deiksis used to indicate time, now proximal term near speaker. Then it is distal term, away from speaker applies to future and past. Example A. November 22nd, 1963. I was in Scotland then. B. Dinner at 8:30 on Saturday. Okay, I'll see you then. It is worth noting that we also use elaborate system of non-deictic temporal references as calendar time, dates as in November 22nd, 1963, I was in Scotland then, and clock times, hours as in dinner at 8:30 on Saturday. Okay, I'll see you then. However, this form of temporal reference are learned a lot later than the deictic expressions like yesterday, tomorrow, today, tonight, and next week. All these expressions depend for their interpretation on knowing the relevant utterance time.
Deiksis is a technical term from Greek for one of the most basic things we do with utterance. It means pointing via language. The use of a word or phrase whose meaning depends on who is talking, who they are talking to, where they are, etc. For example, me, here, and yesterday. And grammar, the structure and system of a language or of language in general, usually considered to consist of syntax and morphology, the set of structural rules governing the composition of clause, phrase, and word in a natural language. The basic distinction for present, spatial, and temporal tenses can be seen in English grammar are presented in direct and indirect speech. Ini adalah contoh direct speech and indirect speech.